Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will cover left half star pyramid. So in the previous video we covered the right half pyramid, inverted right half star pyramid and right half numerical pyramid. So you can go and check and learn this and I share this link in my description box so you can check out. So let's start now. Left half star pyramid. So first we understand that how we write the code and how we understand the left half pyramid build. So let's start now guys. So in the left half star pyramid, first we understand that first the some spaces in the every row, some spaces, and then the star will be right. So first we understand that the we how we understand how we uh, generate the space, then we set the star, means we write the star. So first we understand and write the code to the space and then the star. So this is opposite to the right half star pyramid. So we understand that first we write the first thing we write, which is space. So first is space, and then second thing we write star. So the two important thing, first we understand how the space will be generate and take, and then how we write the star. So two main thing is first space and second is star. So let's understand that how we write this code. So first we see that in the first row we understand that how many space should be. So space should be according to the rows and columns. So first we understand that how many rows and how many columns. So in count first, second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth. So first we write how many columns. So column equal 6, and another side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So rows also equal 6. So if we understand that the rows and columns should be equal and equal. The next thing is in the first row, means in this first row how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 spaces, and the sixth place we uh, put the star. And in the second row we see that how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces and 2 star. And in the third row, first space, second space, third space and 3 star. And in the fourth row we write 1, 2 spaces, so fourth star. And in the fifth row 1 space and the 5 star. And in the sixth row no space and 6 star. So let's start. We write in the row 1 we write how many space? Space, okay, no space 5. In row 2 space 4, row 3 space 3, row 4 space 2, row 5 space 1, and in the last row says space 0. So we say that the relationship between, we say that secret relationship between rows and space. How? Space. So how the secret relationship between the rows and space. So let's see that in the row 1 space should be 5, in the row 2 space should be 4, in the row 3 space should be 3, and in the row 4 space should be 2, in the row 5 space should be 1, and in the row 6 space should be 0. So we see that when the row should be increased, the space should be decreased. This is the secret relationship, means when the row should be increased, so space should be decreased by 1 and rows increase by 1. So basically we say that this is the secret relationship between rows and space. So let's see that how we generate the space first and then put the star. So first we understand and write the first thing we write outer loop, and second we how many inner loops? Two inner loops. Why? Two inner loop. Why? Because in the first inner loop we say first first inner loop generate space, and the second inner loop we say that second inner loop we say start. So basically this is the strategy we follow and write the code. So let's see in the VS code. The VS code, first we write the outer loop, but in first we write integer row equal 5. So we take row 5 and write outer loop, and loop start integer I equal 1, I less than equal row, and I plus plus, and then we write the inner loop which is space. So we write for initialize with equal 1, and how many times it run. So it run row minus I, because we see that the secret relationship between the space and the row, and j plus plus. In this we print only space, out print only space, and the second inner loop which print the star. So we initialize with j equal 1 and j less than equal run I times, because it print I, and j plus plus, and simply it print system dot out dot print simply star, and in the last we print a line. So the next line printed using this, and save and print this. So we see that first we, so in this code we see that the output should be printed is left pyramid, half pyramid. So the output should be in the first row how many, 4 space printed and 1 star print, and in the second row 3 space printed, 2 star print. So basically this is the, when the row we print row equal 3, so output should be same. We see that the row should be 3, so output in 3 we see that. So first trick also remaining. This code we also see a second secret relationship, which we see that the secret relationship between rows and star. And we also say that inside of row we say that outer loop, because in this we say in the outer loop I equal 1 when the star in the first row only print 1, in the outer loop 2 when the in the second row print 2 star, in the outer loop 3, so in the inner loop the in the third row the star will be printed 3. So we see that in the VS code according this we see that when the outer loop I equal 1, so star only printed 1, because the inner loop star print star according to the outer loop. So basically this is whole the code of the left half pyramid, and basically this is all about the left half pyramid. Thank you everyone, I hope you all understand the left half pyramid, and I also share the link which is the video of right half pyramid, right half numerical pyramid, and inverted pyramid in the description box. So thank you everyone.